there everyone, and welcome to South Bermondsey Railway Station. And to kick things off, we see the departure of 377323 and 377317 with the 1501 Southern Railway service from East Croydon through to London Bridge. Next out to depart to be 377305 and 377321 with the 1506 Southern Railway service from London Bridge through to East Croydon. Arriving next into the station is 377308 and 377318 with the 1516 Southern Railway service from Beckenham Junction through to London Bridge. Departing next to the station is 377317 and 377323 with the 1518 Southern Railway service from London Bridge through to Beckenham Junction. Next to arrive into the station is 377324 and 377320 with the 1531 Southern Railway service from East Croydon through to London Bridge. Next train out to depart is 377318 and 377308 with the 1536 Southern Railway service from London Bridge through to East Croydon. One in, one out now is 377328 and 377301 depart, while 377320 and 377324 arrive, working the 1546 Southern Railway service from Beckenham Junction to London Bridge and the 1548 Southern Railway service from London Bridge to Beckenham Junction, respectively. Passing fast through the station under the head code 5P46 from Stuarts Lane TRSMD to London Bridge is 377621 and 377626. And to finish off the day, here comes 377303 and 377312 with the 1601 Southern Railway service from East Croydon through to London Bridge.
There it is, right there.
Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.